apple, bear, cat, dog, elephant, fish, goose, horse, ice cream, juice, key, lion, mouse, notebook, orange, paper, question, rabbit, snake, tiger, umbrella, violin, wolf, yellow, zebra, animal. What is this? Who is this? What is this? Who is this? This is apple. This is book. This is pencil. Cousin. Goodbye. Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. Sunday. Color. Red. Yellow. Pink. Green. Purple. Orange. Blue. White. Door. Computer. Phone. School. Bag. Pen. People. Boy. Girl. Student. Mother. Father. Sister. Brother. Teacher. Car. Pen. Rubber. Pencil. Ruler. Book. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Doll. Ball. Teddy. Car. My. Your. Kite. Bike. Train. Game. Scooter. Egg. Fig. Goat. Hat. Bird. Favorite. Toy. Think. Arm, arms. Nose. Face. Leg, legs. Ear, ears. Sun cream. Finger, fingers. Hand, hands. Eye, eyes. Eyebrow, eyebrows. Shoulder, shoulders. Ink. Jam. Kite. Lion. Make. Body. Pause. Tail. Cut. Fold. Stick. Dad, father. This is. These are. My. Your. Teacher. Pupil. Housewife. Fireman. Pilot. Grandpa. Grandma. Meat. Hero. Doctor. Policeman. Farmer. Postman. Zookeeper. Again. Mom. Nurse. Family. with, happy, family, seesaw, slide, net, swing, tree, try, good try, in, on, under, pool, armbands, frisbee, climbing frame, sofa, everyone, every day, funny, mom equals mother, dad equals father, sister, brother, cousin, grandma, grandpa, aunt, uncle, cousin, van, window, box, windy, weather, throws a ball, jump, run, walk, fly, talk, be careful, come down, dress, socks, t-shirt, trousers, shorts, basket, shoes, coat, hat, cardigan, tracksuit, put on, take off, nice, kitchen, living room, dining room, bedroom, bathroom, garden, certificate, surprise, upstairs, downstairs, house, flat, front door, sheep, table, chair, balcony, lunchbox, sandwich, drink, drinks, banana, biscuit, share, tomato, pear, grapes, pineapple, cherries, chick, hurry up, put on, take off, long, short, blonde, brown, curly, straight, roundabout, great, elephant, giraffe, monkey, donkey, big, tall, little, tiger, snake, parrot, polar bear, seal, cat, man, fan, animal, listen, now, true, false, tongue, head, neck, rice, meat, carrots, yogurt, milk, juice, water, hot chocolate, tea, egg, carrots, tomatoes, desserts, ice cream, yogurt, apple, banana, grapes, drinks, apple juice, orange juice, angry, hungry, delicious, rug, bed, cupboard, shelf, pillow, blanket, under the bed, on the bed, bin, fig, clothes, run, fly, walk, talk, swim, climb, write, draw, sing, sing a song, dance, cook, fox, beautiful, sandcastle, beach, crab, sea, boat, shell, another, together, sun cream, bat, ice lolly, bucket, spade, beach, hotel, swimming pool, book 2, brown, bear, classroom, table, chair, computer, peg, pencil case, board, poster, picture, drawers, cupboard, CD player, school, bright, wall, swimming pool, hot, cold, hungry, thirsty, happy, sad, baby, babies, twins, crying, good idea, tired, angry, scared, brave, nervous, teacher, shoes, fish, thumb, bath, bathroom, feelings, sometimes, carry on, until, never, ride a bike, ride a horse, skate, skateboard, play tennis, play football, of course, don't stop, don't cry, don't eat, don't run, behind, in front of, next to, between, bin, mop, van, jug, perfect, child, children, wheel, wheels, grass, sand, beach, park, really, fun, available, easy, difficult, safe, fantastic, garden, right, word, words, world, door, center, salad, fries, pizza, milkshake, cheese sandwich, chicken, naughty, don't worry, more, grapes, brush, bread, frog, frisbee, sorry, favorite, art, maths, science, forget, playground, sports field, art room, computer room, gym, drum, dress, truck, tree, crayon, crab, headphone, primary school, help my mom, do my homework, visit my grandma, go swimming, have a music lesson, watch TV, listen to music, play with friends, read a book, write an email, flower, flat, plum, plate, blanket, blue, anything else. How much is it? Can I help you? Chocolate, sweets, balloon, present, gift, card, surprise, neighbor, post-res, nuts, tie, buy, cloud, clock, gloves, glue, slide, slippers, flower, get up, have breakfast, go to school, go home, have dinner, go to bed, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night, smile, small, stairs, star, snow, snake, sky, get dressed, bread, doctor, hospital, school, airport, police station, fire station, shop, man, woman, policeman, policewoman, station, zoo, supermarket, bank, garage, lake, gate, face, plane, at the moment, feed, vegetable, job, raining, windy, snowing, sunny, catch it, quick, wet, fly a kite, make a snowman, wear coats, go outside, go ice skating, line, weather, warm, new, news, sunglasses, sun hat, fly away, skirt, scarf, gloves, jeans, boots, shirt, welcome, quarter past, quarter to, half past, rope, stone, bone, home, slow, fast, airport, plane, adults, turn, wedding, guest, guests, bride, band, invitation, make a cake, wash the car, brush my hair, take photos, choose a dress, June, flute, ready, very well, party, summer, summer party, together, coming soon, cow, goat, horse, sheep, donkey, goose, bigger, smaller, taller, loud, quite, foot, feet, trip, life, hens, popular, kind, dry, fridge, tidy, untidy, rubbish, dirty, man, men, woman, women, child, children, well done, ring, king, swing,